Welcome to Howmuch POS. Easily start new orders from your dashboard. Transition smoothly to the order screen. Data saves automatically, ensuring a seamless workflow. Manage sales with an intuitive interface. Effortlessly add customers, personalizing transactions, and streamlining checkout. Quickly capture essential customer details like name, email, and phone. This ensures precise records for personalized service and stronger customer relationships. Easily switch between pickup and delivery options. This flexibility caters to diverse customer preferences. Activating delivery mode automatically populates existing customer details. This saves time and minimizes entry errors for a reliable process. Easily select preferred shipment methods from the drop-down menu. This ensures efficient and transparent delivery arrangements for every order. Precisely enter detailed delivery addresses, such as Lahore, for accurate and timely dispatch. Saving these crucial details quickly streamlines your delivery logistics and significantly improves customer satisfaction. Get instant confirmation of updated details. Effortlessly add products, ensuring a smooth shopping experience. Add items and watch your order total update instantly. Enjoy transparency and control over every transaction. Finalize with Deliver to generate a comprehensive invoice. This ensures accurate records and clear customer communication. Review the invoice and proceed confidently. Your delivery order is complete, boosting your sales efficiency.